Hi everyone, I am Sapna. In my previous video, we have seen that how to find square root of any number. Today, in this video, we will see how to find cube of any number. Here in this video, we will solve 4 types of problem. Before we solve the example based on this type, we will see this table. This table contains the square of the number and the cube of the number. By knowing this square and cube values, we are going to solve the problems. Let us begin with type 1, that is, number starts with 1. We will solve example in which the number starts with 1. For example, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, the cube of those numbers, how we are going to find it by using the Vedic method. So let us consider the number as 13 cube. 13 cube, the number, it starts with 1. So here a first term I'm going to consider it as 1. This is my first term, I'm going to consider it as 1, and second term is my 3. So your first term is your 1 and second term is your 3. So in first step, what I'll do, I'll write this 1 and the 3 as it is. 1, I'm going to write 2 or 3 as it is. First step, the first term and the second term value I have written here as it is. So in the second step, what I'll do, I'll square the second term. Second term is your 3. Now we'll go back to the table. I'll keep over here. Second term is your 3. First, what I'll do, I'll take the square of that number. So 3 square is your 9. So I'll write here 9. Then in second, what I'll do, I'll take cube of this, the same number, second term cube. The cube of 3 cube is 27. I'll write 27 over here. So what I have did, 13 cube, a first term is your 1 and second term is your 3. So first I have written that term as it is. Then in second step, what I have did, I have squared the second term, that is 3 square is your 9, and again I have cubed the second term, that is 27. This is my first row. Okay. Now in second row, what I'll do, I'll double the two middle terms. That is 3 and 9. I'm going to double these two middle terms, that is second term and the third term, and I'm going to write just below the second term and the third term. So double of 3 is how much? 3 plus 3 is my 6, and the double of 9, that is 9 plus 9 is 18. So what I have did, I've considered the two middle term we have to consider, and we have to double those two middle term. So double of 3 is your 6 and double of 9 is your 18. And in the next step, what I am going to do, I am going to add them vertically, column. I am going to add them vertically, column, and carry forward the 10th place. The 10th place digit I am going to carry forward to the next column. So in this way, what I'll do, here in 27, 7 is my unit place. I'll keep it as it is. Then 2 is in 10th place. So I'll carry this 2 to the next number. So the value which I am having in the 10th place, I've carried to the next number. So now we are going to add this. 2 plus 9 plus 18 is my 29. Again I'll carry 2 to the next number. Then again I'm going to add it now. 2 plus 3 plus 6 is my 11. Again I'll carry 1 to the next number. Now 1 plus 1 is your 2. So here is the answer. Within 2 steps we'll be getting the cube of the given number. That is 13 cube is equal to 2197. In short, I'll explain you what exactly I have did in this type. The number starts with 1. So the number is starting with 1. So 13 cube. So I need to find the value of 13 cube. My first term is your 1 and the second term is your 3. So first step, I'll keep this 1 3 as it is. Okay, then in the second term what I'll do, I'll square the second term, that is 3 square is your 9 and again 3 cube is your 27. So I'll write this in the first row. So coming back to the next step, what I'll do, I'll double this second term and third term, that is 3 plus 3 is my 6, 9 plus 9 is my 18. The next, in the last step, I'm going to add these two rows. So whenever we will be getting a value in the unit and 10 place, so the 10 place will carry to the next value. So 7 is in unit place, I'm going to write it as it is. So 2 I have carried forward to the next number, that is 2 plus 9 plus 18 is my 9. Then 2 plus 9 plus 18 is again 29. Again 2 I have carried forward to the next number. Then again add it. 2 plus 3 plus 6, I'll be getting again 11. So 1 is carried forward and I'm going to write 1 over here. Then 1 plus 1 is your 2. So the answer for 13 cube is 2197. Similarly, we will solve few more problems using this rule. So I'll consider the one more values, that is 15 cube. Same step I'm going to do over here. So first step, what I'll do, the first term is your 1 and second term is your 5. So 15, I'll write it as it is, 1, 5. And second term, first we'll square this. So square, 5 square is your 25. So I'll write over here 25. Again the second term, I'm going to cube it. 5 cube is your 125. So I'll write 1, 2, 5. Next, double these values. 5 double means 5 plus 5 is your 10. Then 25 plus 25 is your 50. So next step, what I am going to do, I am going to add these two rows. I am going to add these two rows. So I am going to write the same values here as it is, 1, 5, 25, 1, 2, 5, then 10 and 50. I am going to add these two rows over here now. So again here, unit place is your 5 and 12 is in a 10 place. So as I told you in the previous problem that whenever the 10 place is there, I am going to carry forward to the next values. So 5 I am going to write over here as it is. So 12 is carried forward to the next number. So next we are going to add it. 12 plus 25 plus 50 gives us 87. So 8 is carried forward. I am going to write 7 over here. The next, 8 plus 5 plus 10 is 23. 2 is carried forward. I am going to write 3 over here. Then 2 plus 1 is your 3. So here is the answer. 15 cube will give us 3, 3, 7, 5. So we'll solve one more problem so that you will be familiar with this method. So let us consider the values as again 18 cube. So same step, first term is your 1 and second term is your 18. So I'll write 1, 8, then second term 8, square of 8. 8 square is your 64. Then again cube, 8 cube is your 512. So I'll write over here. Now double this to middle term, 8 plus 8. If you double it, double the middle term. 1 8, just a minute, 1 8 I am going to write over here as it is. So here we are going to square the second term. 8 square is your 64. Yeah, it is correct. Then next, double of 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Then next, double of 64. So double of 64 will be how much, yes? 128. So now we are going to add this. The same thing we are going to do over here now. The 10 place, sorry, unit place 2, I'm going to write over here as it is. Now 10 place is your 51. So 51 I'm going to carry forward to the next step. Now add it. 51 plus 64 plus 128 will be how much? 243. So 24 I'm going to keep over here. I'm going to write 3 over here. Now next again 24 plus 16 plus 8. So the value will be added. 24 plus 16 plus 8 will be 48. So I'm going to write 4 is carry forward. I'm going to write 4 8. Then 4 plus 1 is your 5. So here is your answer. 15 cube is equal to 5 8 3 2. So I hope you got this method. That is the number start with n. It is a simple steps, but once you go on solving the problems, you will be familiar with this method. In next video, we will look into type 2.